What's up, baddies? Today we're doing another requested video, and this request honestly got me really excited because y'all are gonna get a look into my little nail world and how I do what I do on a daily basis. Now my clients are all gonna recognize this space because today y'all are getting a desk tour. So the first thing you'll probably notice is that my studio is mostly white, which actually kind of pains me because black is my favorite color. I would have loved to have this whole place murdered out. But honestly, with nails, if you have a black desk, you're gonna see so much dust as soon as you start filing, and that just drives me crazy. I need everything clean, sleek, on point. So I opted for a white desk, mostly white surfaces, and that just helps me keep my place looking really nice, clean, and professional. So my personal favorite part of my studio is actually my plants. I try to keep it as full of plants as I can, which for a long time was really difficult because plants can be hard to take care of. So I'm really excited that I finally found a nice little family of plants that does well in here. And if you guys want, I can totally do a tour of these so that if you guys are looking to have plants in your salon too, then I can give you a few pointers on that. So my rainbow string lights are actually custom programmed. I got them from a company called Glow LEDs, and I'm gonna go ahead and put a link in the description because these honestly get so much attention. I love them. It really helps set the vibe in my studio, and honestly, I'm just obsessed. Here we have the pink Frigidaire, keeping our clients fresh and refreshed. So I have this really big L-shaped desk, and it's kind of perfect for taking clients because essentially my client would be where you guys are now. Can take clients right here, leave my implements over there where they're in reach, and everything stays really neat and organized. People always ask me where I got this desk, and it was on Amazon for like $115, so pretty sweet. So another item that I get a lot of questions about is my kneeling chair. As nail techs, we have this problem where we like slouch over to get closer to our clients' hands when we're working, and this chair solves that problem. So since I'm sitting in a kneeling chair, it's kind of forcing me to have more of a straight back, but it's really comfortable, and I notice over time it's like quietly toning my abs at the same time, so you get like a little added bonus. But this one's called the Vivo Dragon. I really like it, and I strongly recommend. So on the wall behind me is where I keep all of my basic products that I use with every single service. So this is gonna be things like my primer, top and base coat, my most used colors, which are black and white, obviously. And then we have all of my extend gels for my operating clients, which is almost everyone. And little things like my IBX treatment, glue, and obviously liquid stick. I used to have an entire wall of polishes. I would keep all of my polish bottles right behind me, and it was like really cute and aesthetic. But as it turns out, I hate having to clean the dust off of them, so they live in the supply closet now where they stay nice and clean. So you'll notice this section of my desk is mostly empty. I like to keep things as neat and organized as possible. It honestly just keeps me so much more calm, helps me manage my anxiety. So the only things that I really keep on this side are my dust collector. This is one of the best purchases that I've made this year in terms of my nail business. And the reason that I love it so much is it's the first time that I've found one that works as well as I need it to. So this was a pretty high dollar piece. I got it from Nail Art House. I'll leave you guys a link in the description. Totally worth the money though. I've never had any other dust collector like it. So also in this section, I have my flip top containers, and these are where I keep my various brushes. I have one for my art brushes and one for these big puffy makeup brushes that I use to dust things off, namely my clients. So I love these little flip top containers because they keep everything dust free, really nice and clean and sanitary. And these were honestly like $10 on Amazon, so they just keep everything really nice. So underneath my station, I have a tiny cart, and that's basically where I want to keep all of the things that need to be within reach but don't need to be on top of my desk. So I have my UV LED lamp down here, I have my e-file, my buffers, and all of my acrylic powders and monomer are going to be on the bottom shelf. And then behind me, I have another tiny cart, and that's where I keep all of my liquid stuff like alcohol, acetone. I have my cotton down here, paper towels, and then my foils for removals as well. So this one is my favorite cart. I think she's so super cute. This is where I keep my UV sterilizer, as well as all of my other sterilizing things. We have Barbicide, Windex, Meyer's Clean Day for that super fresh scent. We have all of my detail gels on the second shelf. These are all of my Gel-X boxes. Yes, we have many. And I love that whenever you stack them like this, they look like old VHS tapes. Very nostalgic. And then on the bottom, this is just where I keep my used towels. It's kind of like a little dirty laundry hamper situation. Swatches. That's it. So guys, if you enjoyed this tour and you want to see more of my content, head on over to my Instagram page. You can see all of the nails that I've been doing lately. Come join me on a live chat. I would love to talk to you guys. And remember to like and subscribe. I'll see you guys next week. Ciao for now.